Hi class, we are on page 251 and 252 for our math worksheet today. We're starting a new theme in math. So we've done, we've done the zoo, we've done the farm, we've done the ocean, and today we're going to start the theme of spring. We are in spring. The season of spring has started, and this is the last theme of our math unit till the end of the year. Follow along with me on page 251 while I read you the poem about springtime, one of our 4 seasons. Springtime. Little birds are singing, lovely flowers grow. The yellow sun has reappeared and melted all the snow. Kites fly in the blue sky, sailboats breeze across the lake. Families picnic by the shore, the world has come awake. Wintertime is over for yet another year. Now it's time to celebrate. The spring is finally here. So starting today, all of the pictures in your math workbook will be more of the springtime. Here is the first page. The only thing you need to do on this page today is color. So I'll leave that up to you. Turn to page 252. This is the side that we're going to do together. Now take a look at number 1. I'm going to grab my marker. Okay, on number 1, you have 3 numbers. Now, we have added 3 numbers before. We've added 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals, and we've said 3 plus 2 is what, class? 5. And then 5 plus 1 is what? 6. We've done that before. We've also added two-digit numbers before, like 23 and 42. 23 cents, 42 cents. We do the ones column first. 3 plus 2 is, yes, 5. And 2 plus 4 is, yes, 6. We're talking about cents, so our answer is cents. Now, none of this is on your paper because today we're going to talk about adding 3 two-digit numbers. You can do this. Not much changes from the examples I showed you with the 2-digit numbers. Let me show you how. 23, this is what you have on your paper so you can follow along. 23 cents plus 42 cents plus 21 cents. All right, so we do the ones column first. If it helps you, you could draw a line down the middle, tens to the left, ones to the right. 3 plus 2 is 5. If you need to remember it, you could put it off to the side. Plus 1 is 6. Then we do the tens column. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. Now, the questions were in money, so the answer is also in money, and this is our answer, 86 cents. Now, in your book, you have 3 more to do. Let's see. In your book, you have 3 more to do. We did this one just now. 23 cents plus 42 cents is 86 cents. I would like you to do the next 3 when this video is over. Now, counting by 3s is what's next. We practiced this in our review. When we count by 3s, we skip 2 numbers. 3, skip, 3, skip, 6, skip, 9. So in your book, you need to fill in the missing numbers, and you can use the counting chart in your binder to help you. Now, let's take a look at our money. I'm going to cover up these answers here. Let's take a look at our money. Now, I had you collect some money from around your house because I thought that having some money with you, maybe in your school area that you have, would be helpful to be able to see real money. In another video, I will practice counting money with you, or maybe we'll do that in Zoom at some point. But for today, let's just do what's on your workbook page. Let's look at the first row. In the first row, we have a lot of coins, but they are not in order, they're not in an order that would be easy to count. This is where the money that you collected would come in handy. I want you to find 1 nickel, 1 penny, it is 1 nickel, but it's 2 pennies, 1 dime, and 1 quarter, and put those aside. I'll find that in my bank. I'm going to find 1 nickel, 2 pennies, a dime, and a quarter. Now, if you can find these coins of your real money, I think this will help us because we can't move them around on the paper, but we can move them around in our hand. The first step to counting money when they're all jumbled up like this is to put them in the order of which is worth the most to which is worth the least. So take a look. Which one is worth the most? Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So I'm going to put my quarter right here. My next biggest one would be what? Look carefully. Yes, the dime. So I'm going to find a dime. I'm going to set that next to the quarter. My next biggest one is the nickel. Here's the nickel. And then the pennies go at the end. Now, the same money that I have here, I have down here. But this is a much easier pattern to count it in because we have them in order. So we start with the 25 and then we add 10. Remember, when we add 10, all that changes is the tens column. So 25 plus a dime gives us 35. So now we're at 35 plus a nickel. We're at 35. And a nickel means 5, so we add 5, which gives us 40. And then 2 pennies, 41, 42. So the answer to your first one is 42 cents. Hey, when I turn this video off, I want you to work on the other 2 money problems. Step 1, I would like you to collect some money, like in my bank. I would like you to collect some money so you can rearrange them. Put them in the most to the least, and then count them. One last thing for you to do today is with your ruler. Now remember, our ruler has 2 sides. It has the centimeter side, and it has the inches side. The centimeter side is the side that goes all the way to 30, and the spaces are smaller together. That's the side they're asking for today. So you start your ruler right at the edge, and then you see where it ends. Well, excuse me, you're not measuring it, you're drawing that. You don't have that blue line there. That's my answer. So you don't have that blue line there. You have the starting line. So that's where you're going to put the edge of your ruler. I know I have a ruler. You look over here in my school area. See where I put it. I have you here. Your smiling faces from your school picture. I love to see you while I'm teaching. I'm sorry, I can't locate my ruler right now. But you have your ruler at home. So what you're going to do is you're going to start your ruler. Remember, you're using centimeters right at the edge. And then when you get to 13, that's where you're going to stop. Okay, that was my lesson for today. Let's check what you needed to do today. Did you do your speed drill? 2 minutes, then have mom or dad or a brother or sister help you correct it. Listen to my review video, which is either in group text or here in Google Classroom. And then I hope that this teaching video was a help. And if you have any other questions, feel free to have your parents reach out to me. Do your best and keep learning and keep growing. Bye.